Today in my travels on the way home, I found this awesome thing. I think it's a plant stand, but it's an elephant, obviously. And it was free beside the road, and it's very heavy. Ugh. And I can only assume maybe they had an argument with the elephant. My wife does not seem to appreciate the elephant. I do. I see what's going on with it. Anyways, but yeah, this is a very nice elephant, and it was free beside the road. Um, don't know how old it is. I know it's probably not super old, but it is interesting. So, anyways, like, share, subscribe if you love finding things beside the road, like elephant plant stands. Probably cost quite a bit.